So what is the issue?
The issue is that when I saw my wife in a church we are going to, he saw me, he liked me, I like her too.
You said she saw you. You liked.
You like me, I like her too.
Two of you who first approach each other.
He's the one.
She's the one that approached you first.
Confirm.
Oh, Quadele Buone. Nino.
So he saw me at the church for the first time. We greeted, apostle something. And he saw me, said he liked me. Then we changed number. He began to call me. I call her too. In a Sunday, he called me. Say I should take her out.
She's one that called you.
Say I should take
that
her
you
out.
should take her out. Okay.
Then I take her out. So I bought some things.
Where did you carry her to?
I won't lie. Hotel.
Okay, you bought what for her?
Then I bought chicken, 5 alive. 5 alive and many things to her.
After that, after you bought this, 12 you ate.
Then we made there. See that you like me. So that I do that. I myself, I like her too.
So what happened that day?
You know, as a man and woman. As a man and woman. I told her I like her. I want to eat ofu onubu. I want to eat ofu onubu. He said no. She will not agree. I asked her why. What happened? Told me that you like me. What happened now? He said she don't want me to disappoint her. Men have come to him. All of them disappoint her. All. The last one was in abroad. And the last one come back. He promised her that we marry her. Unfortunately, that one marry wife and travel back. I'm the eighth one. So I told her, I'm not like that. These 5 hands are not equal. If they fail her, I myself cannot fail her. He could not believe me. Then I told her, what do you want from me? He said that he wants, let's take oath so that he can trust me and believe me.
That two of you should take oath so that she can trust you.
She can trust me and believe me.
Okay.
Then I told her, is it all? He said yes. I told her, if I do it, you'll be happy. He said yes. Unfortunately, we do it.
What part of oath? Is it the one they open hand and bring out blood?
Blood.
Is it in the same hotel where you people are? The hotel?
Yeah.
You people did it there?
Yeah.
And drank blood?
Yeah.
Then what happened after drinking blood?
Immediately we lick the blood finish.
Immediately
Immediately lick the blood finish. He allow me to do whatever I want to do.
What do you want to do?
Only once I do it.
You did what?
Only once.
Well, after you take oath, you took oath. He allowed you to sleep with her.
Yeah.
This is before marriage.
Before marriage.
Okay.
Then after everything, we went home. On Sunday, on Sunday, something like 1 week, 2 weeks, or more than that, she called me my phone. This month, I'm pregnant too. I told her, last year mine. On Monday, we shall go hospital. If I confirm I'm the one that pregnant you, I will take my responsibility. I'm not the one. Count me out. So after everything, I confirm. Then in a place I'm doing my business. Then they come back and meet me over there. Then we stay together. We am doing business. Later, her sister husband come and meet me in my shop. towards evening and called me, Desmond, are you the responsibility of Shinoye pregnant? I told her, yes, of course I am. So he said that I should try possible. I should try possible and go and meet her parent and her mother before her mother will come to Lagos, because her junior sister delivered a baby girl. Then after everything, he went home. Then we prepare. Both of us. We travel. I went to Anambra, my side. We went to Imo State. Her own side. Then I went and tell my people. Then I tell my people, all of us just come and knock that I want to marry. His father was alive then. So after everything, then we went back. After we knocked, we went back.
You pay her bride price? No.
I have never yet paid her bride price. But cook food, he cannot cook food. I'm the one who to cook a good soup, oral soup, onubu soup. And if I cook finish, if I bring it out, I'm a very simple human being. Only that I have hot temper. I'm a very simple human being like ABCD, but only one mistake I have is hot temper.
You are the one that cook ogusi soup and all.
Everything. And what I cook it finish, I will not mind. I will bring it. I will go and wake him in the bed.
On the bed?
In the bed. Come, let's eat.
Come,
let's eat. She will come and sit down with my baby. We sit down and eat. And if you eat it, you will lick in your hand. But for you to go and cook it, you cannot. Only that I'm a graduate. I'll go and look for work. Let me know that you are a graduate. Go and look for work. I will know that you are a graduate. Not that you always telling me you are graduate. It's much.
Your baby, is he a baby girl or boy?
A baby girl.
What is the problem between you and your boyfriend?
Daddy, actually, everything he says is lie. This man you see here has not been taking care of me. Since I met him, I have been suffering. Okay, let me start from the beginning. When I met him, it was in the church. So when I met him, he told the man of God that he's in love with me, that he wants to marry me. I now told the man of God that I'm not there for chere, I'm not there for nonsense. If he is serious, let him come up with something. So Nonso started being as if he was serious. So, okay, I started seeing as if he was serious too. So when I started noticing he was serious, I went back to the man of God. I told the man of God, sir, see, that man is being serious. He said, okay, I put it in prayers. Let's see what God has for it. Okay, along the line, I started putting it in prayer. He keep on calling me. Even at the time, I was like, why are you disturbing me? Within my heart, I was like, why are you disturbing me? Allow me to pray and know what is the answer. He keep on calling me, I answer his call. So when he said that he wants to have me, I said it's not possible. So when he said why, I said it's not possible. We have to do everything according to the right, as in tradition. And that time my father was still alive. So along the line, he started being serious.
And why haven't two people accepted the bride price?
Daddy, this man, and he insults me. Disgrace him, even I have evidence. I have evidence in this church here. Disgrace him, taking care of me. Onye is full of lies. I have evidence here. No. You finish talking your own.
Allow her to talk. When you were talking, did she interrupt you?
My parents insult. He called my mom a prostitute. My mom a prostitute. So say not from my mom a prostitute. My people, and when he tried, even me too. I don't even want him again. He told me that now not get you he does not like me. He's after the baby. Not your nanny, the baby. I cannot smell away. You will not see that baby. Ulo, when he had nothing, Daddy, I was with him. When he has nothing, when we're living at Surulere, Karowi, number 22 Karowi, he has nothing. I was with him, managing with him. But now, actually I don't want him again. But I was with him, managing when he has nothing to fit this problem. And the one that I used to get from my sisters, it's just a priest and God started blessing him. When initially, when we were living at 40 Foundation, is nothing to write home about. Cannot even feed me. When I gave birth, I suffered, but I was just living by his grace. I suffered a lot in the hand of this man. In terms of disgracing, he disgraced me a lot, even in Zion ground. I have a proof. I have a friend that will prove me right. When you walk home, when I get a hospital, now Jujum nurse. The way he scolded on me, I was like, no, so what is your problem? Can't you just allow me to talk with my fellow girl? Just and told me now, not get Jima Agua. He's hot-tempered. I said that now, my baby. My people see like I said, but that baby I have been suffering with this man. Me looking good now is just because I got a job in airport. Since I was with this man, people will testify. I have been looking like a housemaid. Now we're living at Ijegu, Muyo Kwaleye. I carry market from Muyo Kwaleye to Ijegu bus stop. I carry market on my head or cracker to see that I can always support this man, even when there is nothing in the house. If you see my baby, you will not believe that there's nothing in the house, because I try my best to fend for the baby, even when Nonso is there, or whenever he's not even there. I fend for the baby. He beats me, he disgraces me, he insults my people, and which my people knows, he insults them. Just when he came to my house, the first day he came to my house, my dad with sick eyes, my dad, because of the love of my dad didn't see, Chinenye, Iga Galifa Anambra no where Lokokwa. But because I was pregnant, you see, that's no problem. When my daddy gave up, Nonso started his wicked character towards my family. His people now say, chop with that girl, chop with a girl, chop with that girl. Nonso has been treating me bad. If you see my pictures when I've not met Nonso, and if you see me when I've met Nonso, you will see that there is difference between Ewe and Ewe. This man here has not been taking care of me. I've been the one fending for myself.
Okay, near microphone. Listen, did you call the mother prostitute? I don't like somebody like, hey, be careful. Oh.
I will say the truth, nothing but the truth.
Did you call her prostitute?
I will remain in my truth. I have my reason. I say that.
Question: did you call her mother prostitute?
I call her, but I have
okay.
my own reason. I have my own reason. I say that.
Now listen to me. If this girl, you have not paid her bride price, she gave birth to you. She's still in your house. She has also made some sacrifice. When you said you have hot temper is terrible. Any man must control his temper. Now, how long have two of you lived together? When again have you worked together?
More than 3 years now.
Since that 3 years. What stopped the bride price? Is that 3 years now?
Whenever I told my wife, then someone to me to go and do it. I would like to bring my phone and show you something. Whenever money comes, my wife will tell me, let's go and enjoy ourselves. Let's go and, let me bring my phone, let me show you. I have intent now, you see. Say, let's go and enjoy ourselves. Say, this life is only one. No, only one, no be two. We'll go enjoy ourselves. Then if you read there, you will be pointing, you will be pointing expensive things for me. And I myself, I want to make her to happy. If you went out, I want to make her to happy. So whatever I struggle to tell her to let travel home. They keep on disappointed me. until the money I hold does.
Now, what do you want now?
What I want right now is that million my wife nego na million nego orine. I want is that it will be possible whereby I have seen, because before they said that is no on the million young subu no the million young subu don't know how get mepata no how get memu what we do whatever. But I have never taken her to a native doctor. Only short for me to struggle to solve the problem. Even though whenever I told her to let's come to Zion, it hardly went to him to Zion. Unless I bat on him before you to go to Zion.
Now, what do you want?
Daddy, for my own side, I don't want the marriage again. I'm done with him.
No, you will want it.
Oh. Daddy, n'iru Chukwu na mmadụ, nọ nso ekpufeela ọnụ. He insults my people every time. And I've been enduring. Every time, I got bad my mom, I got bad my brother, I got bad my siblings. For what now? No. I've been suffering with this man. Now, what she did it now. I trust me also. I don't want to again.
Now, what are you always doing that make you to be insulting the mother? Let me hear from him. Why insulting the mother and the brothers?
Daddy,
are they living in the house with you?
I didn't insult the brothers. I didn't insult the brothers or the sisters. It's only one time I happened with my wife. My wife, I happened with my wife, and I tell my wife to stop this. My wife went and called her mother. Her mother don't even call me. Ask me what happened. He would have just started from to come Lagos in my house. He didn't call me. And he come to my house, say, he want to carry my daughter, and her daughter went to her side. That's for what?
Do you know what makes you a man? Do you think it's a private part that makes you a man?
No.
I don't see any problem here. What I see here is that misunderstanding, lack of understanding, and lack of self-control. Ability of being a man. That is, he must learn how to live with a woman. It's not everything you say. It's not everything you react. Two of you have not married. Two of you are not supposed to be living together. That is even the bone of contention here. Two of you don't supposed to be living together. Can two of you check yourself from now till 2 weeks? If you think you stay like him, if you think you stay like her, then two of you will come back to the Holy Ghost court. I will advise two of you. If two of you are already married, I will make peace here. But two of you are not married. But you can forgive this guy and he can forgive you if he's ready to apologize to your people and learn how to talk to a woman. It's not everything. Let me be honest with you. No man who can live with a woman if he's not romantic.
Little thing, not a Panama housemaid. Stop shouting at me. I'm your housemaid. No, na Panama inside. Up to the Maduno, or now control on where I got Panama outside. I got Zion, I got Panama, I got hospital, I got Panama, as if I'm housemaid. Yeah.
Very bad.
But do you know that this small baby, Kihunga no son about small baby hooker. Mama who's the trash on the message housemaid.
Yes, why he's treating you like that is because he did not suffer to get you.
Yes.
He did not suffer. You jump on him. You get pregnant. You do blood covenant. You get pregnant when you are not married. If he pursue you and pursue you and pursue you and pursue you, and he spend a whole lot of money, do traditional marriage, he can't be able to talk. I agree that he's talking to you anyhow. I agree on that.
I hope I'm not so with woman. How about to put the woman on his leg? I was shocked. You see,
Daddy, wait. Can you go and bring the girl?
You lap a girl.
Daddy, this is pure lie. What?
TMI,
This is pure lie. No. What happened is that we closed church here. We closed church, then we closed in the evening. We were waiting home. Then the girl leave our side. Then both of us enter motor. But I didn't lap her. He see my side.
Two of you, the girl live in your side. Two of you enter motor.
We enter motor together.
And she's
nothing.
But she's close to you.
No, I have absolutely nothing with her.
But she sits close to you.
No, I mind my business because I know what I am into.
But her laps is close to your laps.
No, her lap is not close to my lap because I know what I am into.
You must respect the mother. She is like your mother. You see this girl. How two of you can live with petting? Oburu sugar cane, buru honey, then girl, you must know that this man is the head of the family. What poor for wherever? You must take it away now. Is anybody telling you Imo doesn't marry Anambra is a lie? All this mentality of who is Imo, who is Anambra, who is Enugu. Before, so many years ago, there was nothing like Anambra, there was nothing like Imo. All of us are Eastern region. Two of you. Now put her microphone. Jide aka. Na jide aka. Na ejenu. Isi n'ihu, nweta ha isi n'azụ. Nwata na onwe ya gbere agbe. Jide aka. Ya nwoke Anambra jide nwaanyị aka. Jidesie ya aka ike n'ịbụ nwoke. Wepụ aka n'akpa na ọgba ka esi achụ nwaanyị. Unu na-alụ di. Pụtaba n'ebe a. Na-abịa na-agagharị nụ. Nwata abụkwa slave queen. We will see coming Tuesday. Now you hearing me? Two of you, please, 100,000 for their transport. Bring them on Tuesday. Now, this one is not even money. Oh yeah, bring to 200,000. Coming Tuesday, we will settle. You cannot marry with a muscle. Women are like baby. Petty them. They will give you what? Give them love. They will give you life. If you give them love, they will give you life. Kulite. Where? Utter your mother. Speak with them. God bless you. How come my sister come? And my brother.
Mando jalo no one day. Olo, one mando jalo no one day.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the next video.